Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. Today, we're going to be breaking down my October monthly budget for its closeout. November is definitely just a couple days away, and I wanted to be able to share the numbers for the October budget. The November budget will be shared in my November reset. All right, guys, so let's get into it. But first, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. It is very gloomy, also, y'all. So, if I'm not at the best quality of image, I apologize. But let's get into our October budget. We budgeted $1850 for the first income, and we got $1853.41. We love a little extra. We budgeted $1,928 for income number 2, and we got $1,928.40. We are excited for the 40 cents as well. It was supposed to be my golden month. I'm getting another paycheck on the 31st or the 30th, but I have pushed that over to November. So November will be my golden month. And then we got 6 cents in interest. Whoop, whoop. And on side hustles, I actually got Awin sent me $18.55 for some kind of affiliate program, I guess. I got $35 rebate from Georgia Power. I actually got some other gift cards from Georgia Power as well. And we'll talk about that when we fill out my tracker that I have in my bullet journal. And then YouTube, I got $111.41. Shout out to y'all. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I know that you have a lot of options, so I appreciate that you watch mine. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I get discouraged, but you guys always send the nicest messages and bring me right back around. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Okay, sorry. However, one more thing before let's finish the income, then we're going to talk about that one more thing. Rollover is $255.32, which included 99 cents for the Apple storage, $219.33 transferred from the new HVAC fund. The 99 cents there is also an Apple storage fund, and 35 cents, $35 for the gym, which we had in the gym fund, got moved back, and then basically got moved back. So over here, it's a little different in the actual, because it was everything plus everything I just said plus 480 that we moved in from the month ahead, because a lot of it was getting sent over to Ally. Excuse me, y'all. And so the total income that we budgeted was $4,033.32, and the total income that we counted in was $4,682.15. $648.83 in the positive. So overage. So I'm super, super excited for that. What I wanted to say was, I don't know if a lot of you know, but I am actually Jamaican. Was born there, was raised there as a child, and I've been here for a while now. However, if you believe in the Lord, or if you just want to say a prayer for Jamaica, I would really appreciate it. I'm so grateful. My family was supposed to be going this same week to Jamaica, but they heard about the Hurricane Melissa before they left on their flight, so they chose to say, "Thank you, Lord, for your small mercies." Of course, everybody was not excited about not going, but everybody knew the safety was the top priority, especially with my 2 nieces going, my grandmother going. It was just too much. And so I'm grateful that they're here. But my grandma's house is down there. I've got family down there, friends down there. So just a quick, if you could say a prayer, that would be really appreciated, so we could be praying together, because as we come together and pray together, the Lord listens. Okay, moving along, we have our expenses. So we budgeted $1308.26 for the mortgage, and we paid $1308.26. Apple storage, we actually ended up putting 12. We said we were going to put $12.99 away to cover 2026. Basically, it's 99 cents per month. So if I put away $12, that's $1 a month, a little over. And we did put away the $12.99, so we don't have to worry about 2026. And cell phone, we said we're going to put 25 away. We put away. We said we had to pay 25. We paid 25. Water bill was scheduled for 5303. That is what paid Insurance was $173.89. That is what paid. Electric, same, came in at the same. Now, excuse me, y'all. So sorry. October, gym. Um, it was $35 for the month. I haven't been to the gym in like 2 months. It's so bad, but it depended on what was going on with the surgery for the gallbladder, and I decided just to skip October. So I ended up putting the money back away into fund. So it didn't get used for the gym, but it did go back into the gym fund. $86.20 was our internet, and that's what we paid. Security was $27.14. That's what we paid. Security equipment was $43.20. That's what we paid. HVAC was $219.33. That's what we paid. The second bill for the AC is one for personally for the guy coming back and doing something with the electric box in here and changing out fuses for the unit. And it's like a $600 bill that I'm slowly trying to chip away. The agreement was that I pay him $50 every month with no interest, which I really appreciated him doing that because we couldn't get it lumped into this HVAC thing, which is kind of good because that has interest on it. Now, there's usually $50, but because we had a little extra money coming in, I paid an extra $50. So we scheduled or budgeted $100 and we paid $100. The trash and sewer bill is $16.50 every month, basically. So for $49.75 for the quarter. So we put our $16.50 away as scheduled. My sticker subscription was for September and October because my months go from 10/3. Well, it went from 10/3 to 10/3 paycheck and 10/17 paycheck. I forgot about the September payment that came out on the previous 25th. So I ended up having to pay for both. Luckily, they come out on the credit card. So I didn't have to worry about it like coming out of my operating account. But they did get paid. So the expenses 2003 46.54. What we spent was 2003. Those were exactly on point. Exactly what we budgeted was exactly what happened. Now, as far as a credit card, there is nothing. Well, there's stuff on the Quicksilver Saver, Discover, all of that. But the goal here is that I am going to be using that extra golden check that I get in the first of the month or the end of the month to the first of the month to pay anything I put on the Quicksilver card, Saver card, or the Discover card that was not necessarily like something that comes out of my sinking fund. I don't usually do that, y'all, but instead of having lifestyle creep and just adding everyday changes to my bill, things that are going to be monthly to my life, I usually, when I get a little extra money, I let myself have a little freedom for like a month and then I rein it back in. I've already decided in my head that November is going to be my month. I know we're at the end of the year and I've had a lot of good months prior to this, but there's something different about November I feel in my spirit. So these will get paid. They don't have any, well, they have money on them now, but they will get paid. I didn't have to pay anything in there. We paid everything we needed to pay for October. Now, 467 is a car note. 467 is what I paid. I actually even called them to see if I can get the interest rate lowered. Right now, my interest rate is like a 5.999. They said they couldn't lower it anymore. Not really sure what the reason was. And I checked with Capital One, they couldn't offer a lower interest rate either. Maybe my interest rate is decent for these times, maybe because now it's considered a used car. But I'm going to try one more place, which is my Navy Federal. And this is why I also feel like if you have, hold on, yeah. All right, thanks for holding, y'all. My phone was ringing. So, and I'm a person where I want to talk to the people in my life, make sure they're okay. I can always put y'all on pause and come back. And so, Home Depot, well, there was nothing on that card. I probably need to use it so they don't shut that card down. Advantage, there was a change. It's normally 7067. I think that it actually went up a little bit in the graduated plan because I believe it's 7984 next month as well. At first I thought it was like some kind of late fee or something, but I think this is the new rate and I will take it because I thought it was going to go super left. So 7984 is what it ended up being. There's nothing on the Alter card. Alter card, we paid that off. We had a total debt amount of 537.67 budgeted, but it turned out being 546.84, which was $9.17 more. Is that supposed to say negative or is that to say positive? Y'all let me know because I want to update my Google sheet that I'm selling. If you don't know, I sell this monthly budget as well as a budget forecast type thing. It comes as a bundle. It's on my Ko-Fi shop. It's literally always linked down below just in case you want it. For me, it's so much easier. October is here too. I'm just hiding it to see things. Ooh, y'all getting a sneak peek at November, but like to see things at the months that they're supposed to come out so I can see the days. It's a very simple budget, which works very well for me. I can see a monthly and still not know what weeks it needs to go in. And so for me, I do my monthly and then I do my weeks just so I know I have enough money in each pay period to go each place. Okay, off the tangent. I just remembered that. So let's keep going. Yo, I don't know what's wrong with my voice. We'll move on to our variables. Eating out was supposed to get 80. It says 570, but that's just because we had added that 480 that I talked about up here, which was a whole bunch of the last month's money that we put forward. And so that says 570. Fun is supposed to get 50. It got 50. It did not like I don't know what's going on with these numbers. It's supposed to get 50. I don't know where the $10 went if it did get 50. Gas got 100. It's supposed to get 100. Giving got 40. It's supposed to get 40. Groceries got 260 and it got 260 and self-care got 110, 110. I'll tell you right now, I'm pretty sure that a lot of this money that came over got used towards grocery and not towards all its other intended purposes. Sometimes I really be wanting to take out cash and then sometimes I don't. Total variables was supposed to be 640, but because we brought in the rollover amount, it turned out to be 1,130, which is difference of 490. Makes sense. Now, sinking funds. Apparel was supposed to be at 10, it did. Build a buffer supposed to get 10, it did. Birthdays 10, 10. Car maintenance supposed to get 10, it did. Christmas supposed to get 20, it did. Emergency fund was supposed to get 45, it did. I don't know why these two are this color. Let's just go ahead and reset them. And then health and medical is supposed to get 50, it did. Baby, we need all the extra money in health and medical with all the medical stuff going on right now. HOA got 69. Oh, it's time to celebrate good times. Come on. Mm, 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 mm. We're going to have a lot of that, boo. So HOA is fully funded for next year's payment. Excited, $69 in there for a total of 544 or something like that. Household got 60. Actually, it was supposed to get 60, but I got 79, which is all for the good because I think I transferred $19 from all the things over here because I had a big Sam's Club order with like my excuse me, with like my body wash, lotion, uh, detergents and things like that. HVAC got extra 60. Sam's Club fully funded. It's been fully funded. I love doing my sinking funds like this, like subscriptions and things, so that it gets funded before it's supposed to. It's almost like a snowball. I call it my sinking fund snowball method. So anything I can fund before the end of the year just means extra money freed up for the rest of the year. Amazon also got fully funded. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Y'all see God? Do you see God? Look at my dancing ladies, okay? All the time. Beauty, when I tell you all, not sometimes, comparison is always a thief of joy. Please remember to look in your lives and be grateful. Grateful gang, 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 for all that you have, all that God is doing for you. It may not be as big as someone else is getting, it may not be in the same way. He may not be providing extra money, but he may be providing food. He may not be providing extra food, but he may be providing you extra help. He may be providing peace of mind and sanity. Be grateful because, babes, $24, I'm hype. Hype me up. Hype me up. And also, you can press the hype button if you feel like it. You say, beauty got 50, was scheduled for 50, was budgeted for 50, and it got 50. Travel got 10, like it was supposed to. Treat yourself got 1. Yes, 1 Duola. And all the YouTube boss was scheduled for nothing, but we did get the 111.14. All things got a little $5.11 as planned. Other actually ended up with 36.97, and that just includes some money that went to bye-bye debt, bye-bye, which was the 36.97 was basically this 1855 and the 35, I believe. I say 65. Y'all know I don't know. Excuse me. No, it was 1855 plus something that got us there, chill. I don't know. But that other did get 36.96, and then new appliances got 35, even though it wasn't scheduled to get anything. So we had scheduled for 34.11, and we ended up giving 636.22 in sinking funds, which we're excited about. I actually still need to allocate out my YouTube check now that I saw that. Navy Federal got $10. I was slated to get $10. When I keep saying we y'all, I mean me and y'all. I am a single budgeter. Bi-weekly, this is just me and my income out here in these streets. I'm a single lady. I'm a single lady. I'm a single lady. I'm a single lady. Mm-mm-mm. Sorry, I'm done. Okay, so our total expenses that were budgeted was $3,968.32, and our expenses ended up being $4,659.60, which is not really, because that's including the sinking funds. So that's actually money coming into savings. Our total income was budgeted at $4,033.32, and our total income ended up being $4,682.15. I mean, can we get an amen? And then we had $65 supposed to be our buffer rollover. We ended up with $22.55, and that's just because some of that buffer rollover, I believe, is in here. And we have a zero-based budget. Zero-based budget. A zero-based budget. Y'all let me know how. I'm actually. No, I'm not gonna go back and try to figure it out, because I don't like when I can't figure out stuff. So this 36.91, I'm like, what was that? So I currently have these two hidden. Let me unhide and look at October. What was in that other category? Down by the river. This was actually, this was 1861 from interest and that affiliate payment, and there was 1863 for rollover for debt payment fund that we moved from there. So that's what was in 36.97. I like to give all the accurate information, and yes, I know it's accurate. But that is our zero-based budget for October. A few changes there, a lot of good. The raises doing your girl well. A lot. Thank you guys for the YouTube check. Please just keep praying for Jamaica. And that's all she wrote, y'all. That's all she wrote. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I love you. Mean it. Bye. Done.